You think your morning smoothie is healthy, but your blender might actually be leaking microplastics straight into your cup. Let's fix that right now. I spent the last few weeks testing the top contenders to see which glass and stainless steel blenders actually hold up to daily use without turning your food into a chemical soup. I am going to count down from 6 to 1, and trust me, the model waiting at the #1 spot completely surprised me. Let's get right into it. Number 6. Tribest Backspin Blender. I really wanted to love this one because the whole premise sounds fantastic on paper. It uses a heavy-duty glass pitcher, which is exactly what we are looking for when we talk about keeping things totally non-toxic and safe for hot and cold foods. The main selling point here is the backspin feature. The idea is that if your ingredients get stuck, the blades reverse direction to pull everything down and keep the blend going without you needing to intervene. It comes with some extra personal blending cups too, which is always a nice touch for those quick morning runs when you are rushing out the door. I put it through the ringer making some thick green smoothies and grinding up hard nuts. When it actually catches the ingredients, it does a decent job. The glass feels incredibly premium in your hands, giving you that peace of mind that no weird chemicals are seeping into your drink. But here's the problem. That backspin feature? It is honestly a bit of a gimmick in reality. I found myself having to stop the machine and manually scrape down the sides way more often than I should have. The motor just does not seem to create that perfect vortex you need for a truly smooth blend, and it ends up feeling pretty clunky to operate on a daily basis. You are paying a premium for a reverse blade trick that doesn't fully make up for the lack of raw blending efficiency. 5. Oster Pro 1200. This is a very popular option, and it is easy to see why when you look at the price tag. It comes with a Boro-class glass jar that is thermal shock resistant, meaning you can blend hot soup right after rinsing it with cold water without worrying about the glass shattering into pieces. The motor pushes 1200 watts of peak power. Oster also uses a dual-direction blade technology, which is designed to prevent those annoying jams when you are working with tough or frozen ingredients. It even includes a separate smoothie cup, though that part is usually plastic, so I stuck strictly to the glass jar for my testing, just to be safe. When I threw a bunch of frozen strawberries and ice into this thing, it powered through them fairly well. It's great for basic salsas, straightforward smoothies, and everyday meal prep. The glass jar cleans up beautifully and does not hold on to weird smells like garlic or onions after you wash it. Let me explain the downside, though. This blender is aggressively loud. I mean, wake up the entire neighborhood loud. On top of that, while the motor has a high peak wattage, the actual build quality of the base feels surprisingly cheap and lightweight. After a few heavy blending sessions, it actually felt like the motor was struggling to keep up the pace. So while the Oster Pro 1200 gives you a great non-toxic glass pitcher at a budget-friendly price, you are definitely making a sacrifice when it comes to long-term reliability and your own hearing. 4. Astralship Glass Blender. Now, Astralship might not be a household name just yet, but this blender genuinely surprised me during my tests. It steps up the game with a really thick, substantial glass pitcher that feels incredibly durable right out of the box. What I really appreciate about this model is the adjustable speed control dial. You are not just stuck with 3 preset buttons. You get a stepless speed knob that gives you total control over the texture of your blend, plus a dedicated pulse function, which is perfect for rough chopping things like salsa or nuts. I tested this out by making a pretty dense hummus and then a batch of crushed ice for frozen drinks. The 6-point stainless steel blades did a fantastic job pulling the ingredients down into a vortex. The sheer weight of the glass jar actually helps keep the whole unit stable on the counter so it doesn't walk away from you while blending on high speed. It's just a very solid, no-nonsense appliance. The interface is clean, the glass is completely free of any sketchy chemicals, and the motor runs surprisingly smooth. It actually feels like a piece of equipment that belongs in a serious kitchen rather than a cheap toy. If you want something that gives you precise control and a highly safe blending environment, the Astralship is a fantastic middle ground. It balances power and material quality really well without breaking the bank.
3. Breville Fresh and Furious. Let me tell you, Breville always knows how to make an appliance look absolutely gorgeous on a countertop, and this silver beauty is no exception. While it is known for its heavy-duty pitcher, the material quality here is exceptionally high grade and rigorously tested for safety, giving you a completely clean blend every time. This blender is famous for its contoured blade and bowl system. The blades sweep the bottom of the pitcher to pull ingredients down, while the curved base minimizes food traps where things normally get stuck. It features an LCD display and pre-programmed settings for things like green smoothies and crushed ice, taking a lot of the guesswork out of the process. During my testing, the Fresh and Furious totally lived up to its name. I tossed in some fibrous kale, chia seeds, and frozen fruit. You just hit the green smoothie button, walk away, and it runs through an automatic cycle of varying speeds to perfectly liquefy everything. The texture was incredibly velvety. I mean, it is just a joy to use. The lid has this brilliant little ring pull design that makes it effortless to take off, which solves a weirdly common frustration with tightly sealed blenders. It operates much quieter than the cheaper models, and the base feels rock solid and securely planted on the kitchen counter. Here is what matters with the Breville. You are getting premium engineering that actually translates to a better user experience. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. I know what you might be thinking. Hamilton Beach is a budget brand, right? Well, yes, but this specific model completely flips the script on what a budget glass blender can actually achieve in a real kitchen. The standout feature here is their patented wave action system. Instead of ingredients just spinning around the sides of the jar and avoiding the blades, the design of the glass pitcher continuously forces the mixture down into the crushing zone. It comes with a completely non-toxic glass jar and boasts 700 watts of peak blending power. When I first set this up, I kept my expectations in check. I decided to make a thick milkshake and a batch of pureed roasted tomatoes for a soup. I was genuinely shocked by how well the wave action actually works. I did not have to use a tamper even once. The ingredients just flowed perfectly right into the blades. You know, sometimes simplicity is exactly what you need. It has straightforward push-button controls with 12 different blending functions. The glass jar pours beautifully without dripping down the side, and the entire pitcher assembly comes apart easily so you can throw it straight into the dishwasher. No hidden crevices for old food to hide in. This Hamilton Beach model is the undisputed king of value. It gives you a completely safe, chemical-free glass blending experience with performance that rivals machines that cost 3 times as much. It is an absolute powerhouse for the price point. Jusante Professional Countertop Blender. If you want the absolute pinnacle of high-speed blending combined with completely safe materials, this is the one. This machine is an absolute beast that honestly left the competition in the dust during my testing phase. Let me explain what makes it so special. It features a massive 1450-watt motor that spins the blades at incredibly high speeds. While many pro blenders use plastic, Jusante incorporates a massive, heavy-duty glass pitcher that can handle extreme temperature changes. It has a built-in heating element for making hot soups directly in the blender, which is just brilliant. I put this thing through the ultimate test. I tried turning raw almonds into creamy almond butter, and then I used it to make a piping hot butternut squash soup entirely from scratch. The sheer power of the motor pulverized the nuts in minutes, and the soup came out steaming hot and incredibly smooth, with zero chemical smell transferring from the pitcher. I mean, the versatility here is unmatched. It has a digital touchscreen interface with multiple smart presets, making it feel very premium. The glass pitcher is definitely heavy, but that weight is exactly what dampens the noise and keeps the machine stable when it is running at maximum power. It just feels incredibly well built. Here's the final verdict. The Jusante Professional Blender gives you commercial-grade performance without compromising on your health. It completely eliminates the worry of microplastics and delivers flawless results every single time. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.